guys, so ayan. Yan. Ito guys ang ating pangalawang video.
Sasha, gamitin mo glasses ko na.
Ayun si Celine. Ayan. Ayan. Magandang panahon. Ayan.
Kaya ang anong shadow mo.
Hiha!
1, 2, 3, smile.
Dalawa nagsasunbeating. Ayan.
Celine. Ayan. No, nak.
Ayan.
No.
Ibon.
It's gonna be you. Your one. Yan. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Baba. Hi, Celine.
Huwag mataob. Parang pusa lang ano ah. Hinahawakan mo lang sila ah. Hoy.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Huwag mo ganyanin siya para naman
I'll grab some chips so the birds will come over.
wala nang chips doon.
Ay, dami.
Yan guys, so, pakain tayo ng ano. Sunbiting din doon sa baba oh.
They're not going away.
Ayan guys, may daming mga biker ngayon, no? Ay bundok ko, may ice na yung bundok ko.
Yan, they're coming.
Ayun, ang dami oh. No.
Give me some.
Okay.
Ayun oh. No. Yeah.
Look at here.
Pakain tayo ng ibon.
Baba. Yan.
Give me some.
Ha?
Give me some.
Oh, sabi ko sa'yo eh. Oh.
Sasha, look at here. Si daddy mo kasi yung araw, ang shadow mo nandyan eh.
Mm.
Dito ka.
Wait, give me the chips. Bus. Where's bus?
Let's put them on the side. Enough na. Huwag mo ubusin. That's my food.
Enough na Charlotte. Tommy in there.
Celine. Hi. Celine.
Celine.
Bring some bird here. Throw some chips on the front.
Yeah. Don't give it. Here. Because he look the bird. No, tama na yun oh.
Tama na.
Yeah.
Ako dito, kadali.
Oh, there's a dog.
Upo. Okay. Upo, kay ano dito ang shadow. 1, 2, 3.
Titingnan niya ibon. Meron lang yung ibon oh. Marami sila. Na. Ulihin niya. Oh, catch him, catch him, catch him, catch him, catch him. You catch him, catch him.
Just remove the chips.
Catch him.
I'll just get some, I'll cut.
Desyo. Tara.
Saglit lang Dito ka sa kabilaan.
Saan?
Hi.
Doggy, doggy, doggy.
I'm on sleep.
Dito ka. Diyan ka sa kabila.
Whoa.
No, don't give her chips. Yeah. Okay. One, two, three. I clean your lens. Good. Celine. One, two, three.
Panya mukha niya eh.
I have to sit down, honey.
My eye.
Dito ko nga ilagay sa ano mo. At i-timer.
Oh.
Mom.
Ha?
Look. I need to watch you.
Han, sit. Sit down. Dito ka. Dito ka. Dali. I'll just check. Agbayan na sila, Han. Agbayin sila. 10,
9, 8,
7,
5.
3, 2, 1. Bless you. Han, hindi ko pwede buhatin si Celine. May dumi ang damit ko. Sasha,
guys.
be careful of your sister.
Okay guys, hanggang
Wait lang na,
ito
wait
lang
lang.
ating video. So, ayun guys, sa bundok. Oh, yan. May ice na.
Ayos yung lace mo, ah.
Yan. Yan. Bundok. Yan. Mga ibon. Yung mga tao ron sa buildings baba. Ayun guys, yung dagat. Blue na blue. Tubig. Kaya lang wala na nag-facing ngayon kasi malamig. Malamig na yung dagat. Ayan.
Stop. Sea line. There's the one. Sealand.
Yeah.
Sealand, Sealand, Sealand.
Halika, halika. Siya, dali, dali. Group photo na tayo, dali.
Yeah.
My
Yan. Yan, mainit, mainit.
Dito.
Mahangin, no? Mahangin. Oh, mahangin.
Can you untie my shoelace?
Mamaya, mamaya.
But I might trip over.
You just need to stand there. You don't have to trip over. Go on that side, that side. Hand, half dito.
Celine, oh. Oh, look at it. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
Mom, your hair.
My hair is flowing everywhere.
What happens when we're done?
Ah, dito na lang eh, para yung hair natin. Hindi mag-flow. Harap dito, daddy. Like that.
Oh, Celine.
Baba.
Celine. Oh.
1, 2. Don't do that because see the shadow.
Chips, over here. Chips dog.
Ulit siya. Halika rito na.
Yan. Tara, tara.
One last one.
I'm getting so bored.
Yeah, I know you'll get so bored because of your phone. And
Because I don't have my phone.
I know.
Bawal ngayong aso dito. Oh, Charlotte, oh. Oh. Bawal ngayong aso dito. Dala mo sila aso.
Against the light man.
Bawal yung aso dito pero alis na.
Siya, halika na. Dito pa lang, ano, maganda. One last one here. Ay, ang kotse mo. Don't get too close to me.
This is the last one.
Ala. Ayan. Ayan guys, tapos na. Uwi na tayo kay mahangin na. Tingnan mo si Buringging.
Wala
Yan.
ka tanos ka buhi at. Hindi,
Oh, oh.
hindi yan pag
Ano?
ang iya nga ti Elba.
Oh.
Yung tibla akong tel, log lang.
Sino?
Kaya isa mo ka.
Ayan guys, dito lang ating video. Thank you for watching guys. See you next vlog.